Hi, in this video I show you how to apply a good displacement on a picture. Applying displacement on a picture makes it look more realistic and 3D. Okay, open your browser and search for polyhaven. Scroll down and select textures. Choose a texture for your project. Download a good quality. Open the zip file and extract the files. Open your Blender, add a plane, upscale it, give it a material, click on New, click on Base Color and choose Image Texture. Click on Open and go to direction that your files are in. Select the diffuse file and set the viewport on Rendered. You see we have a picture without displacement and doesn't look 3D. So go to Modifiers and click on Add Modifier. Search for Subdivision Surface. Click on Simple and set the level to 9. Add another subdivision. Search for Displace. You have to add these subdivisions in order. Now in Displace subdivision, click on New. And click here. Choose the type on Image or Movie. Click Open and go to same folder. And select the second file, which is Displacement. You can see this is so severe, so we have to decrease the strength. Go to Modifiers and from this place, decrease the strength to 0.1. Right click on the texture and click on Shade Smooth. And go to Material and increase the roughness to maximum. If you increase the strength, the displacement becomes more. And this is a fantastic result. And one more tip, let's assume that you want to change the geometry of the mesh in edit mode. And you end up with this mess. Your texture gets stretched. I have a solution for that too. First click on Edit and go to Preferences. And from Add-ons, search for Node Wrangler. Make sure the Node Wrangler is checked. Now go to Shading. Click on Image Node and press Ctrl T. You can see that these two nodes are added. Press Ctrl and right click to cut this connection. Now connect the generated to vector. Okay, I hope you enjoy it and use it in your projects. Stay tuned with next videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.